Infosys certainly happier than expected, perhaps, with the Q3 results. And joining us is the MD and CEO, Dr. Vishal Sikka. So Q3, would you say much better than you anticipated? What were the challenges you had seen?
Well, 90 days ago, when we were looking ahead to this quarter, we saw lots of challenges. Traditionally, this quarter has many seasonalities, less number of working days and all of that. So we were looking ahead to that. We were also looking ahead to some difficulties in certain industries and so forth. And then the Chennai floods happened.
Yes.
So I'm really, I would say, proud of the work that our team has done despite the circumstances to overcome these challenges, to navigate in these circumstances.
Okay.
Of course, 1.1% constant currency growth in a quarter, you want to be able to do better than that. So we are not, we want to do more, but given the circumstances, we are extremely happy with what we have achieved.
So big smiles with perhaps a little bit more optimism for Q4.
Absolutely, absolutely.
All right, now, but you have upped the guidance for Q4, despite what is happening globally. Why this optimism?
Well, when the times are good, people need innovation, and when times are bad, people need innovation. So the need for innovation, the need for better services to help improve the business situation is there, and it has actually in many ways never been stronger. So what we see in the quarter ahead of us, despite the macro environment, is good things happening.
Good things happening. So Infosys feels immune to it, or do you feel that you're above what is happening globally?
No, it is not about being, one can never be immune. We are all a part of the atmosphere that we are in. And however, I believe that we are at a unique moment where the world around us is going through this tremendous transformation with technology, and we have what clients are looking for. And so that is what gives us the confidence.
Do you think the guidance is conservative as per Infosys traditions, or do you think you're being a bit more aggressive now?
No, I mean, 3 quarters are already in. We have this quarter remaining. So it is based on what me and Praveen and Ranga see right now in terms of the business outlook.
All right. And this coming quarter, do you think that Infosys can now lead the IT sector?
Well, I hope so, but we feel confident that we'll get to industry-leading growth in the next financial year, as we have said. So we feel good about that. Beyond that, other things are for others to comment on, and adjectives for others to apply to. So.
And something that did get a lot of comments recently was the hiking of visa costs for Indian professionals working there. Does it have an impact? What are your thoughts on this?
And in the near term, there will be some impact. But look, I am a U.S. citizen. I don't believe in this idea. I think that we are operating at a large enough scale. We are looking to hire more locally. We are working on very interesting next generation collaboration technologies with virtual reality and so forth, which will help rethink the whole global delivery model and the virtual global delivery model. So a combination of local hiring, on-site delivery centers, our next generation collaboration technologies and so forth. This is I'm not worried about that.
No huge impact expected in this?
No.
Do you see volumes of 3.1% maintainable?
Of course, I think that the volume growth in particular is what gives us the confidence for the time that is in front of us, and that is because of the demand for our services.
Okay. Now, is Infosys compromising on margins for the sake of market share?
No, absolutely not. Absolutely not. I think that the pricing decline is a systemic thing that is happening in the world around us. That is the big thing that I have been talking about for the last 18 months, that continued disruption in the way services are done. And so we are, you have to be competitive on the market, to the market on the pricing side, but that decline in the pricing expectation is a systemic thing, and we are simply responding to that.
And finally, any outlook on spends for the next financial year?
On spending? No, I think we have maintained our guidance 25 plus or minus 1%, and then our aspiration for 2020 is to get to 30% margin. So we feel comfortable with those with that band.
Okay. Thank you so much. Well, big smiles here at Infosys. Happy with Q3, optimistic for Q4 as well. Maya Sharma in Bengaluru for NDTV.